What is the first usually take, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of Redmi Buds 3 Pro in black color and also known as graphite black. Black kind of a theme going on here. In the front you can see that there's a little bit of a reflective case silhouette you can see over here, and also the earbuds down below with a Mi logo over here. And on the left side you got some specification, as well as the right side. At the bottom, more specification, you can see that down here. At the back, you can see that the color is in the graphite black as is shown here. And some specification you can see up there. The charging port is with a Type-C, impedance 32, charging case, and so on. But you can see that the earbuds battery capacity is also shown here, 35 mAh battery. Charging case battery capacity is at 470 mAh. Charging time approximately 2.5 hours. Even right here, wireless connectivity Bluetooth is 5.2. Operating range is about 10 meters in an obstacle-free environment. So it's really good. The specification is shows everything there. So let's just open it up and take a look inside. Alright, so I opened it from the bottom, and you can see that at the bottom here you can see the cable itself. Here is the ear tips. I would say 4 of them as it's described there. Let's see some manual first before digging into the casing itself. Also, you have to open the other way for the case. So you got the typical manual guide here, and also the warranty card as you expect. For the side. Alright, so you open the other way and it will show the casing itself. First of all, you got the USB to USB-C cable here. And the cable is like a flat, rubberish kind of feel, which is better because I think it's more durable than the usual circular type as opposed to the flat type like this one. So it's a good touch over here. And of course the earbuds all 4 of tip, different kind of size. I don't want to mix them up, so let's just put them aside here. But you can see, you can tell that all 3 of them have quite a big to small, depending of your ear tips and your ear heel. Alright, so now take a look at the casing. The case itself, nicely wrapped around this plastic here. In this glorious black color. I wouldn't say it is like really black, more like a black grayish kind of black here going on here. So alright, so in front of you got this, they call it a function button here, physical button, and also the indicator light here, and the casing. Just open it up and you see the earbuds itself down there. It's really shiny, glossy even. Alright, so at the back you see that the branding, Redmi branding here. Oh, when I turn it on, the indicator is just showing it white. Right down below you got the USB port here, USB-C port. Alright, when you press and hold the function button for about 2 seconds, you see that you get the white blinking white color here. For connecting mode, so you go over to the phone here and you see available device. There's a new device here, Redmi Buds 3. Just press on it and it'll ask you to pair. So just go ahead and pair. Now show the scan and just OK it. And voila, there you have it. First time pairing it up with the Redmi Buds 3 with the phone. Press the right kind of indicator there and you'll go into all the settings you can find over here. So let's just quickly go through the phone settings, inside the phone settings here first. First of all, you got the phone call, media, audio, all these default settings you can see here, and also absolute volume. AAC provide a high quality audio experience, so it depends on if you want to turn it on. As for default, looks like it's a turn off. So yeah, and now I'm just gonna take out the earbuds itself. Alright, now of course you can see that the glossiness is all around, covered all around at the top here. And it makes the black kind of like a grayish kind of tone here, which is really, really nice. I would say the reflective is not as much as a white color one, but it does have its uniqueness for the black color here. And quite a thick, kind of like a shoes actually, from this angle. Don't you think so? Like a boot kind of style shoes. Alright, so here is the ear tips that they gave. I think it's more like a normal size as opposed to okay. So you got a couple of magnetic pin here for stick it into the charging port. So at the back you will see that it's shown that here you can see that there's L and left side and right side, so you won't mix it up, so obviously. And also this is the sensor itself. When you put it on the ear and we'll turn it on or turn it off. Media control for censoring. Okay, now I'm just going to go to playing some music here, and I'll show you guys how it sounds like just through this microphone. But I'm gonna do more testing on it on the review kind of video. For this one, it's just like a quick unboxing overview. So I'll just show you guys real quick how it sounds like. I'll just put it on all the way to the max. Why not? Yeah, it's max now. So yeah, hold on. But to be honest, even I'm kind of like a distance away from the earbuds, I can definitely hear even the sound coming out all the way to my ear here, even though it's like on the table here, and it's like max settings. The speaker is like on max volume, it's super loud, I would say. So that's a good thing. Alright, there you have it. Just a quick unboxing and overview of Redmi Buds 3 Pro. Really like the design, the glossiness all around here. Even the casing itself is like really design right. It's a little bit, it's not really plasticky. It's kind of have a grippiness feel to it. This kind of design is much better because it won't slip to your hand if you have like a slippery hand. So the rubberish kind of feel here will stick it onto your hand when you pick it up or anything. You don't want to diss this thing on your first try, why not? You definitely don't want to drop your casing because it's like really small thing. So most of people tend to drop their accessories all the time. So the ruggedness, the rubberness for this casing works really well for this one. So anyway, this is just an unboxing. I will see you guys in the next video to come. See you soon.